Hey guys, and welcome back. My name is Saif, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Miro to organize your team. So let's get started. First, here is how Miro looks like. So if you want to create a new board, you can just go there and press on new board. Almost there. And now you can see many templates that you can choose from. So basically you can navigate from this left menu so that you can access different templates. For example, here you can use meetings and workshops, you can use brainstorming and ideation, you can use mapping and diagramming and more. So as you scroll down here, you can find Miroverse, which represents all the templates that are created by other users and they accepted to place it in the community for Miro. So it's not basically designed by Miro, however, it's designed by users who accepted to place it in Miro's library. So if in case you want to search for a specific template, you can just write it here. So I have searched before on hierarchy, so I will just search for templates which are related to hierarchy and I can find all these templates. So we can choose any of them. Let's choose this one. And when you try to choose it, you can preview it first or you can use it immediately. So let's use this template and here how it looks like. So here you can name your own template. Let's say my organization. And you can control how your text looks like. So you can basically make it bold, for example. You can, it was already bolded. You can control the color itself. You can control the alignment. You can control all what is related to this text. So once you are done, you can start and edit on these parts. So let's say I want to name this person Safe, and his role is manager, and I can place his email here. I can also expand this to be on a single line like that. So this is basically how you can edit on your own template. You can also add a cell from here. However, I'm just gonna delete it for now because I do not need it. Select delete. So you can basically manipulate your template. You can, for example, if you want to add another cell, as we said, we can click on this plus sign here, for example. So another cell will appear, or you can just delete this one and add it by a different mean. You can use line here, and you can just drag a line from here. Like that, and then you can name another coworker, for example. So basically you can create a cell either by clicking on the plus sign or by drawing a line from here. You can also elongate any of these lines. This is done by just navigating to the line here and drag it. So sorry, it cannot be selected, and here it is. So you can just elongate it like this. You can select this cell and elongate it like this. So you can basically manipulate it this way. Now there are several ways that you can add a note to specific name, for example. So let's say I want to add a note to this person. I can go and add a sticky note here. Let's just choose a different color because this is the same color as my background. And let's say, excellent job. I can make the font smaller. I can also decrease the size of this sticky note, just like that. And I can link between this name and the sticky note by a line like this. So this is basically how it's done. I can also add a comment here, and I can say excellent job. So this is basically how I can add, let's just add an emoji. Perfect. You can also choose to change the color of the comment here. You can add to enable notification here, or you can unfollow it. And you can mark as unread, you can bin, you can copy, or you can even delete. And you can invite teammates to discuss about this comment. You can also enable an open discussion on this comment. So this is basically how you can add a comment and how you can leave something that you want to remember about a specific person. After adding your comment, you can access it from here, and you will find all the comments that you made. You can also insert many other things, like, for example, text boxes. You can insert sticky notes, as we said. You can insert shapes. You can even free draw in your document, for example. You can add comments, you can add frame, you can add diagramming shapes, and you can even click on this plus sign to add more things like tables or upload something from your own device. Here on the top, you can find that you can name your own document. For example, let's name it My Organization. And you can also add a description. You can change the thumbnail, for example. You can also share, you can duplicate, you can delete. So this is basically how it's done. You can also export this board. You can search on content. You can access on main menu, which shows you many things like preferences, like help. And in here, you can add timer. You can add notes. You can also add reactions. You can access on comments, as we said before. And here you can present your own board without many distractions. And once you are done and you are satisfied, you can press on stop. And if you like this board, you can share it from here. So basically, you can invite other people through mail, or you can just copy this invitation link and send it to your friends. And here you can also embed this board. You can copy the embedded code here and add it to your website, for example, or you can just go to publish and publish the template on the Miroverse community, or you can start trial to upgrade upgrade to a paid plan to create custom templates. So this is basically all the main features that you can access in Miro. And this is how basically you can use it to get more organized and optimize your workflow. This brings us to the end of our tutorial today. If you like this video, press on like, then subscribe to our channel for more valuable tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next videos. Until then, take care and goodbye.